friends, welcome back to Drive Vault. Have you ever looked at a motorhome and thought, wow, this feels more like a spaceship than something that fits on the highway? Well, that's exactly the vibe Peugeot has gone for with their 2026 Futuristic Motorhome. And let me tell you, it is absolutely jaw-dropping. This thing looks less like an RV and more like something you'd expect to see parked in a billionaire's private hangar. But here's the kicker. It's not just about the looks. This beast is packed with innovations, luxury, and futuristic tech that could change the way we think about life on the road. Just look this design. From the outside, the Peugeot Motorhome looks like a rolling piece of modern architecture. The front end is sleek and aerodynamic, with those razor-sharp LED light signatures that feel straight out of a concept car. And the massive panoramic windshield? It doesn't just give the driver a commanding view of the road, it makes the whole vehicle feel alive, almost like it's gazing ahead into the future with you. Then you've got those sculpted body lines, the aggressive stance on oversized wheels, and the bold black and white two-tone finish. It's the kind of RV that makes heads spin, whether it's cruising down the highway or just parked at a campsite. Honestly, it looks so futuristic, you almost expect it to transform into a yacht or a private jet. Now, let's step inside, because the interior is where things really get wild. Imagine walking into a luxury apartment that just happens to move with you wherever you go. The Peugeot Motorhome opens up into a space that feels huge, thanks to smart use of levels and wide-open layouts. We're talking plush lounge seating with premium materials, a dining area that feels more like a modern loft than an RV, and massive floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light. And it's not just about comfort. Peugeot has designed this motorhome to feel like a lifestyle. Ambient lighting shifts to match your mood. The walls are finished in a mix of rich woods and sleek metallics, and there's even a rooftop deck space where you can relax under the stars. I mean, come on, who wouldn't want to watch the sunset from the top of their motorhome with a glass of wine in hand? Of course, luxury isn't just about looks. Functionality is where Peugeot has really nailed it. The kitchen is fully equipped, with state-of-the-art appliances, including a hidden induction cooktop, a full-sized fridge, and even a built-in coffee bar. The bathroom feels like a high-end hotel suite, with a rainfall shower and spa-like finishes. And the bedroom? It's nothing short of a sanctuary. A king-sized bed, panoramic side windows, and whisper-quiet climate control. This isn't just camping. It's first-class living on wheels. But here's the part that makes this motorhome truly futuristic. Under the hood, Peugeot has equipped it with a next-generation hybrid powertrain. This isn't your traditional gas-guzzling RV. Instead, it combines a powerful turbocharged engine with electric motors to deliver smooth, efficient performance. That means you're getting all the torques you need to handle long highway drives and steep mountain climbs, but with far better fuel economy and significantly lower emissions. And because of the electric capability, you can even enjoy silent drives for shorter distances, which is perfect for those late-night arrivals at a campground where you don't want to wake anyone up. Performance-wise, this thing is no slouch. Either, the hybrid system cranks out an impressive amount of horsepower, giving it the muscle to tow extra gear or haul a trailer if you really need to. But it's not just about raw power. Peugeot has engineered the ride to be smooth and stable, with advanced suspension that makes even bumpy back roads feel like freshly paved highways. And thanks to regenerative braking, the motorhome actually recycles energy back into the battery every time you slow down. Efficiency meets performance. It's a perfect match for the future of motorhomes. Now let's talk features, because Peugeot hasn't held back. There's an advanced AI-driven driver assist system that handles things like adaptive cruise, control, automatic lane keeping, and even parking assistance. Yes, you heard that right. This massive futuristic RV can park itself. Inside, everything is connected through a smart central hub, so you can control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment with just your voice or a touch on the massive digital control panel. And if you're someone who loves off-grid adventures, the Peugeot Motorhome comes equipped with solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof, plus a high-capacity battery system to keep you powered up for days without ever plugging in. So, what's the price tag for all this luxury and technology? Well, as you'd expect, it's not exactly cheap. Early estimates put the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome in the $1.5 to $2 million range, depending on the configuration and options you go for. But honestly, for what you're getting, it feels less like buying a motorhome and more like investing in a futuristic lifestyle. This isn't for the casual weekend camper. This is for people who want the very best. The kind of people who see their motorhome not just as transportation, but as a rolling mansion and a statement of taste. So, could this be the best motorhome of the future? I think it makes a strong case. Between the jaw-dropping design, the luxurious interiors, the eco-friendly hybrid engine, and the sheer number of cutting-edge features, Peugeot has created something that's not just a motorhome, but a vision of what road travel could be in the next decade. It's bold, it's ambitious, and it's guaranteed to leave people speechless every time it rolls by. And here's the thing, whether you can afford it or not, the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome sets a new standard. It shows us that the future of RV travel doesn't have to mean compromise. You can have style, you can have sustainability, and you can have absolute comfort, all in one package. This might just be the ultimate dream machine for anyone who's ever wanted to take their home on the road without sacrificing a single ounce of luxury. So what do you think? Is Peugeot's futuristic motorhome the kind of RV you'd want to travel in? Or is it a little too over the top? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this look at the future of luxury travel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more motorhome reviews and futuristic concepts. Until next time, happy travels. And maybe one day, happy travels in a Peugeot that looks like it drove straight out of tomorrow.